My name is Jaywan. I am currently the president of HFTP San Jose State University chapter. I am in charge of facilitating the student organization as well as coming up with innovative ideas to ensure that each student is able to enrich their experiences while they're here at San Jose State University.
Hi everyone, my name is Jason and I'm the Vice President of the HFTP in SJSU, and my duty is to assist the President with any tasks and also reply email in a timely manner, and I hope to see you guys soon in the club.
Hi, I'm Stella, the HR coordinator for HFTP's chapter. What I do is support all the members, recruit new members, and I'm in charge of the social media. I do hope you'll join HFTP's SJSU chapter.
Hello everyone, my name is Mehdi and I'm from Iran. I'm the treasurer for our SJSU chapter, and my main responsibilities are budgeting and requesting funds for our club.
Hello everyone, my name is Tyler Law. My position is the event manager. My duties consist of collaborating with other officer roles in regards to event proposals, marketing strategies, and appropriate budgets, and working with event coordinators to successfully plan and organize an event all the way to the execution.
Hi everyone, I'm Jiaying, but I also go by Pearl. I'm a third-year hospitality student interested in the hotel industry. As an event coordinator for the club, I'm responsible for organizing and planning events with the event manager and assisting with other tasks.